Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into the devices settings, tap on display section, and scroll down. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!